Hi and welcome to my channel. So today we have one SQL problem, and in this problem we have given two tables. First table is products, and in this products table we have product ID and product name, and we have also given one more table which is sales table, and in this table we have product ID. You can see these two tables here. This is the first table and this is the second table which is sales table, and this is the first table which is product table. Okay, and let's see our question. So in this question what we have to do is identify products that have been sold but have no record in the product table. So this is the sold table and this is the product table. So we have to identify those records that are sold but those products are not available in the products table. So and also what we have to do is and also calculate how many times each missing product have been sold. So this is our problem. So I hope this problem is clear. So let's try to identify or our output using these two tables. So if you can see this product 101, we have two rows for this 101, and this product ID details here, the detail is already present in this product table, so we don't have to consider this particular product. Let's see our next product. So we have three rows for this 104, and this product is not present in this table, so our output should be 104, and its count should be 3. So let's see how our output will look like. So you can see this particular table. So this is our output. So this for this product ID 104, the count is 3. So let's see our next product. So next product is 105, and 105 is not present in this table and its count is 1. Similarly, there is one more product which is 106. 106 is also not present in this table and its count is also 1. So let's see if these are present in our output table. Yeah, so you can see this product 105 and 106 is also present and their count is 1. So I hope this query or question is clear. So now let's try to write the query for this and see how we can solve this problem. So initially we have these two tables, and if we want to find out how many products are available in the sales table but not in the products table, then we can do this by a simple query, which is select star from sales, and we can write where product ID not in, and we can say that select star from products table, right? And instead of star, what we have to do is we have to check only for the product ID, not everything. So okay, so let me run this. Okay, so now we have the list of those product IDs that are available in sales table but not present in products table. So these are the list of IDs, and from this table what we have to do is instead of taking these all the informations, we have to count these products. Like how many times these products are coming in our output. So for that we can do product ID comma count of 1, or count of product ID also we can take. Okay, and we can say this as count from this table. And because we are also using count function, which is an aggregate function, so we also have to use the group by product ID. So let's run this. Okay, so you can see these are our products, and this is the count of each product, and these are all the products that are there in the sales table but not available in the products table. So this is how we can solve this problem, and going forward I'll be solving more problems on my channel. So if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you and bye bye.